Michael here with mmtoolparts.com. Today we're going to show you how to do a light upgrade kit on a DWS 779. Alright, here we go. We're going to start off by removing the top of the handle. This part of the handle, it takes 3 different Torx bits. A T30, T25, and a T20. Okay, so now that we got the top off here, we're going to remove this part here. And then we'll get these two after. So now we'll go ahead and we'll put the light right back on. Over here, we'll go ahead and put that wire down in that channel. Reinstall the black cover piece. So now that that wire's in there, we're just going to bring it over and around, up under that wire there, and then through the slot there. So now we've got our wire harness, and we just have to put that in next. We're going to remove the switch here. Then remove this top screw here, and then feed the screw through the looped end of the wire harness and screw it back onto the switch. Disconnect the white wires, then attach them to the piggyback on your new wire harness. Now connect the black wire to the power supply. And connect the plastic Molex connector. Make sure all the wires are fit snug inside the handle. Then just install your new cover and the handle. Thanks for checking out our video, and buy one for your friends.